Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and I wanted to do a quick hair tutorial for you guys today. I have recently chopped off a lot of my hair and I've really enjoyed doing like a little wavy curl, and I've had some questions, and even though I think it's really easy and I thought maybe everybody already knew how to do this, I thought I would just give you a quick tutorial on it. So first things first, you want to section off your hair. I part mine where I always part it, and then I take 4 sections. You can do the little clippies. I don't have them anymore. I lost them, so just gonna put in little rubber bands. And then as I pull them out, I brush through them. It's really hard when you have shorter hair, like in the back like that. It does have, well, I just have a harder time curling that part because it's so short. But I try it anyway, just to give it some volume at least. I kind of miss my long hair, but I feel a little sassy with my shorter hair, and it's healthier. So I'm gonna do a couple in the front so you can see the actual technique. And because I have shorter hair, I use kind of a small wand. I think this is like a 1 inch. Have you guys ever seen that video where the girl like holds onto it too long, that she pulls it off and all her hair comes off? So be very careful of this. I do like mine on a really hot setting. You don't have to have the clamp. I have the clamp, and I just use it kind of at the end. So I tip it down, and I'm gonna start with a medium chunk of hair. I'm gonna open the clamp. I'm gonna wrap it around myself, so I'm not gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna start from the top, and I'm gonna wrap it until a small piece sticks out like that. I'm gonna roll it in, hold it for just a couple seconds. I'm gonna slowly pull the hair out, roll it through the end. And this is a little too curly, but the end is a little straight, and so I pull it a little bit. If it's too curly, you can pull it while it's hot to pull the curl out. And then the next piece, I'm going to roll forward. So you want to alternate so that it doesn't get into one big curl, which there's nothing wrong with that, but you want more of a tousle, whatever that word is. So I'm going to go forward on this. Again, you're starting from the top. Now we're here. You're gonna leave a piece out, pull it in, only hold it for a few seconds, pull through. That's more of the thing I was looking for. But I think it's okay to have like a tighter curl, a looser curl, one that's like even more straight, then front, back, alternating. And then once it, I was gonna say dries, but once it cools down, you just run your fingers through it and you have all these different sizes, all these different kinds of curls. Oops. So let's do this to the back. So the point is to leave a piece out, but to not clamp it there and leave it there, because you don't want it to be like a 90-degree angle. So I did that one back, so I'm gonna do this one forward. And I think it's okay if you do a couple the same direction, but you just don't want the whole head the same direction. Pull through, and yeah, have that little straight piece like that. So I'm gonna continue all the way around, and I'll be back to show you the little finishing piece, and then you can see it all together. Okay, so I've gone all the way around and I'm on my last layer. I think that took 5, 6, 7 minutes. So this is my last layer, and you can decide how tight or, not tight, but how many curls you want. So if you want to take a thicker piece of hair, you're not gonna have as many curls and it's not gonna be as kinky. So I like to pull from the back, and this one I'm gonna do away. And I have to say that out loud so that I don't do too many the same direction. So again, you're pulling it, and then you're gonna leave a little bit here at the top. Hold for a couple seconds, pull through gently so that the heat a little heat gets at the end again, so you're not doing like a strong angle. There you go, nice. So this one I'm gonna do towards the face, and I'm taking a little bit bigger pieces today, mostly because of time. Hold it for a few seconds, gently slide through. So you want, the reason you do it close to the root is so that you get more body. You don't want all the curl at the end. And then I'm gonna split these last two pieces in half. I'm gonna do this one forward. Because when you start at the bottom, most of the volume is at the bottom, right? And you want more zhuzh at the top. And this last piece, we're gonna pull away. And I want this a little straighter, so I'm gonna leave a lot of it out. And slowly pull through. There you go, yep. So, make sure to turn your curling iron off. I'm gonna let that sit for just a little bit. The back is cool, you want it cool, unless there is a curl that's too tight, right? If it's too tightly wound, while it's warm, you can pull it out. Once it's cool is when it's set, right? For most people anyway. All right, that feels good. So I'm just going to piece through with my fingers, comb through. And so you get some, different sizes, different lengths, different, I was gonna say kinks. And then it falls out a little bit as the day goes on and it gets even better. Even when you sleep on this, it looks good the next day, especially because you want that curling iron really hot. You can spray it if you want. I don't actually spray my hair because I like it to kind of fall out. You can just pull out what you want. You might need the spray. Like I said, I don't really like product in my hair, so the only thing I have after I wash is I do like a leave-in conditioner. So if you want that, now's the time to spray. I'm gonna put my glasses back on. So if you want a curl that's not as tight as these, you would just use a bigger curling iron, right? A wider curling iron. So instead of a 1 inch, you might use a 2 inch or a 1.5 or whatever. All different sizes. It's just easier for me to use a smaller curling iron because I have such short hair in the back. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new today. Tag me below if you try it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.